Alright, where the hell am I going?
Oh, I didn't know that. That's shit, man. Your contact added.
I don't know where the fuck to go. I'm in the taxi though.
Where are we going? I'll drive you there.
Go to the marker. Dude.
Oh.
Whose car is that?
I got a fire department coming.
Yeah, I called the fire department. They haven't gotten there yet.
Oh, well.
Turn the radio off. There you go.
Alright, the radio's off.
No copyright.
Come on, son, where you at?
I'll put it in there.
Alright, right here is good.
The car's burning alive, man. We need this fire department
You'll
here.
fly the airplane back. Fuck it.
Which one?
Here we go.
The Mallard or the
Mechanic.
The Mallard.
I'm gonna get one more car out here.
You're through to your garage.
Well, do you want that one out of the Mallard?
Gauntlet. Blah, 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 blah. You know I gotta do it.
It's on the way.
Hey, who called the cops?
Who called the cops?
Well, I
No
know
open
I got one
canisters.
car on me.
Whoa.
Holy shit.
My car! You scared the shit out of my fucking mechanic.
I went over a block, then the plane exploded.
Oh, I lost the door. Damn.
Look at this cop over here.
Fuck it.
How much did
Oh, you broke my windows too?
Your car?
Who cares? This car's still sexy.
What are you doing?
I'm on my way, man. I'm on my way. Come set me free. Home, sweet home. Park it right next to my cars.
Hit that freaking sign, wow.
Yeah, I'm a good driver. I don't fucking smash into cars and shit.
Here I come.
Yeah, baby. Oh, fetch
How
off.
do these lights just stand on?
Here comes Mr. Plow.
Oh shit, I don't have a parachute. I don't have a parachute. Oh, fuck. What if I do?
You got dead people lying around and shit. It's definitely a party.
I'm gonna land on top of a car.
Holy shit! You got a lightning bolt?
Oh, it's nice.
No.
I'm gonna get inside this again.
Where
Fuck
are
it.
you at?
Huh? Is this Jake?
Yeah,
Lift me up.
Around?
Lift me up. With that at. Oh shit.
I was dragging buttons.
Do it again. Do it again.
Welcome to ride.
Nah, put me all the way up like a cradle.
Not the boat.
You should try it. Sorry, it's fun.
Both of so much they fell out.
All the way up. Ah! Like a cradle, like a baby.
I won. Oh shit.
It's like a challenge. Oh, fling me up.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit.
His leg's sticking through it.
All right. Put me down.
Again, too.
Ah.
I see a frog. Why you got a frogger? I just had it parked. I'm gonna shoot at you. I had it parked over there the whole time.
That was fun. Oh, you squeezed the car in. That's something not bad.
So where are we gonna put
This
that
is
car?
JB.
Well, this car right here, get you a little bit, that's what my car is, I'll get it.
Yeah, I got you. Oh. Yeah, squeeze it in right next to yours. I'll put mine right next to mine.
How do you guys leave the lights on?
I don't know. That's just that. Yeah, it did for me.
It does it sometimes. Somebody's gotta jerk you out.
Just right. Bam.
Oh. Scratch the paint a little, but
Official.
it's alright.
Yo, stand in the middle of your car. Somebody take a picture.
Dude, it looks beautiful.
My legs go out all the time. How come my legs go out?
Somebody take a
Hey,
picture.
guy.
Death
Get in
bearer.
the chopper.
Death bearer, take a
Get in the chopper.
Get in the chopper.
Let's take it from the air.
Alright, hold up. I'm coming right here. Here we go.
I'll be part of this picture. I only have like 2 cars here, but I'll be part of this picture.
Oh, there's nobody taking it.
I'm gonna back off a little bit.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna call another car. Fuck it. I gotta bring my baby over here. My baby's definitely gotta be in the show.
People in this car go?
My Ford GT. We're too close.
Car show.
Can't fight for it here.
Don't pass out.
Oh no shit. Yo, we could take a fucking huge picture. Back up a little.
Okay, hold on. I heard my stick on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right here is a Snap-O-Matic, right? Man. Definitely. Hold on, one more.
This is why you don't. Let's go up a little bit. A car show. Kind of gives a better view of how many cars there are from higher.
Stop. Stay steady so I can take a clear picture.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying.
Right here is perfect. Right here is perfect. Back up a little.
Hold it.
Stay still. Stay very still. Right here, this is photography. Bam. I want to take one more zoomed in one. Everybody get together. Down there.
Where at?
I don't know, right by the green, the blue truck. I mean the blue van. Surfer van. Try to stay still on the bike. I mean the bike, the fucking heli.
Let me get us.
Like this. I'm cool.
No? Alright.
There's a good spot. When you're in the helicopter, the picture's way too damn far to zoom in all the way. Somebody take a picture.
Wait, I want you in.
Take a picture of that. There you go.
Fuck it, I'll take the damn picture.
Okay, I'll take it.
Oh, you will?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, get in there, Higer. Yeah, get out from behind, sorry.
Yeah, I won't be behind, sorry.
Stop getting in front of me.
Hey, to be on top of a vehicle there,
Okay.
Oh, that's really cool. Hold on.
Nice one. Hold on, let me get a little closer.
Oh man, I gotta get my mobile
Right
phone.
over here. I'd like to see some facial details. Yeah.
Keep your hands up, Jake. Keep your hands up. Or that, or that.
there you go, I'll
Change
take
my
it.
action just a second.
Hold on. I want to change my action
What?
to smoke.
Shoot.
Hold on.
Shoot up in the air. That's what I was doing. Oh yeah, sweet.
Again.
Oh, shit. Oh. Did you get that? That was like a perfect picture. Yeah.
Yeah, was he dying?
No, I got the one of them all shooting. You weren't dead yet. Well, it was pretty damn high. You're like bent over the hood of the car, like in a pile of bottles. That's pretty damn epic right there. Where the hell is it?
Yeah. I'm coming, hold on. I got drunk and then I got smacked by a gun.
Oh, the miniguns, they're definitely not anything you want to walk in front of.
There we go.
Don't throw no bombs.
You've had that experience with the LJ?
Yeah, well, I just saw it happen while ago. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fucking fireworks! Man, they should let you take little short films.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Picture time.
You taking a picture?
Ah! You fucked it up.
Oh shit! It destroyed all the cars.
Yo, tell me you did. Yo, tell me you didn't get on the naughty list for that. The fucking what do you call
I
that?
totally got the first part of that explosion too.
Oh my god, dude.
That's some good shit right there.
God.
These are the remaining cars right here from the explosion. That shit was funny.